Hello and welcome to a new video on JS. And today it's time for volume 1 of the new trading card game from Square Enix or Square Enix. And volume 1 is called Entaku no Kishi-tachi. And this title would translated in English, would be called The Knights of the Round Table. So it has very much to do with Arthur or King Arthur. So the name matches it very nice. So this is the side from the box, and on the back side we have the rarities, but all in Japanese. And it says us we can get 109 different cards and I think 30 foil cards. So then I will directly open up this box. So we have here 20 packs. This is the pack artwork, and on the back side again the rarities. And per pack are 7 cards. So don't look like they have an extra or something, only the packs. So I will open up all the packs. I don't look inside, and then we will watch together which cards I will get. So I have all the packs opened. I did not too much research. I only found that there are 5 different colors. We have red, green, blue, yellow and something called nothing. These are the black cards. And I checked a few cards out in the internet, looked at artwork, and I saw a character that I really want to get. I will tell you when I got this character. And would be nice to know if you liked artworks of this card game. You can write that down under the video. In my opinion, they have some really nice artworks. So this should be one of the nothing cards. It's very cool, this sword girl. So we have already 3 of the 1-star cards called normal. Then the 2 stars card, HN. I would say this stands for half normal. So she looks really nice. Then the first rare card. I think I got already cards of her in the starter deck. Whoa, okay. That's very unexpected. In the very first booster pack that I ever opened of this card game, I pulled an SP card. Or in this case called a secret. That's just awesome. So I can't read what's stand on this card. But would be the voice actress from this character in the game. And then this very cool foiling of the thunder in the background. Very, very cool. That's a cool way to start with a new card game. So then the angel. I should put the rare cards on a other place. So I think this is the very first male character. So not only girls. So some kind of an ice character. She looks also very cool. In a yukata with a tiger cap. And as a rare card, this knight here. So I don't know, but I think in the booster packs are no leader cards, only knights, I think. I have to check what this card is. It's also a knight. I remember I got her already in the starter deck. So I really like this artwork here. Also very cool. And very cool. This is this character that I meant. I really wanted this card here. There was also another version when she has longer hairs with on one side the ice hairs and then the other side fire hairs. That looked so awesome. I hope I can pull that card too. But very awesome that I already got her. Very cute. Like this character. That's great. I like yukatas and then with this nice black sword. Very great artwork. So then we have this guy. Look a bit weird. Oh, this was already the rare. And then an SR card of this guy here. Looks cool. So let's see how much SR cards are in a booster box. That's a great card. Looks very cool. And then this as the rare. So maybe this is my secret card. No, not really. This is number 30 and this is number 31. She's chilling on the bed. Wow, that's also a great artwork. I don't know why, but she reminds me a bit at Madoka, but the hair color is totally different, but in some way. And then the Ice Lady as a rare card. So already some doubles. I remember I got this card also in the starter deck. Very awesome artwork. Also very cool. Then this as the rare, and then looks like a foil rare card of this angel here. Very lovely artwork. I like this card. Looks great here with these signs on the background. And this character reminds me a bit at Vycross. Then this cool yukata lady with the black sword as a rare card. Very awesome. And the second SR card. Some kind of a flower fairy. Oh, I totally missed this card here. So I got one of the prize cards. It's also foiled on it. That's great. Totally missed that. Oh, and I never showed you the back side of the cards. I really like this background. Here with the 4 different signs. And then some characters here. So this is also a very cool card. She destroys here some rocks. Also very lovely. She's sitting on a very big tiger. Then an angel. Or I'm not sure if this should be an angel. Looks more like she has a tail. And then this is the next rare card. I think this is again the same character from the last booster pack. The girl destroying rocks. Looks like she evolved a bit. Looks also very cool. This is also a very, very nice artwork. And then her as the next rare card. This card looks also cool. This girl with a skeleton in the background. As the rare. And then the next SR card. So I saw this guy already somewhere to this card game. Maybe this is Alpha, but I don't think so because it's a night card. And then her as a rare card. So very nice angel card. And her as the next rare card. So this is definitely a new card. And then the girl with the butterflies as a rare card. So looks like there are from every character like 2 or 3 cards. And then her as a rare. So this is a new card. Looks like she holds here a flower. And then her as a rare. Then this knight here. This card looks also very cool. And then this as a rare. So I think that was she that I got in SR. Not the same card, but the same character. Oh, I fail opened this one. So. And now I got my secret card in SR. Here to compare for you. It's definitely the same card. So I think that means my chance for my wished character or my wished card is gone. Or hopefully these boxes have 5 SRs. And then her as a rare. So this is my last pack. Hope dies at least, I would say. So, and this is my last rare. So I didn't got my main requested card, but the character as a rare. Looks also very awesome, but definitely my favorite card out of my box. Then to my SR cards. Then I also got the foiled rare card. And the secret card. So, would nice to hear of you guys if you like that card game. But for first, I will say thank you for watching and see you next time.